given that we moved quite aggressively over the last 2 weeks, I'll probably favor options rather than, let's say, outrights, but it could be a combination of a little bit of everything. So, I think, one touches at parity or even sub that with at least a 3-month horizon makes sense to me, as well as put spreads, as well as just, straight out plain vanilla directional puts. I think if we get any kind of pullbacks towards kind of potentially 107, maybe 108, then some outright kind of positions also kind of make sense in that kind of scenarios. I'd expect things to be relatively capped with December 4th, December 8th, and December 14th. Obviously, if we do get a yes vote from the Italian referendum, then euro dollar could see a 2 to 3 figure, I think, squeeze up higher. And of course, if the ECB disappoints, it could also have a move higher. So these are some of the risks that are obviously involved here. On the same Italian referendum, December 4th theme, I like put spreads on also peripheral bonds, outright kind of downside there. Potentially maybe playing the relative value kind of trade there where you're long bunds and you're short Spain or some of the other kind of perifs. I think equity downside is probably better exposed through the DAX. We've already talked about the MIB quite a few times in the past, but that's pretty much low now, and I think any kind of sell-off will be symmetrical throughout the Eurozone. So worth having a little bit of a think about that.